हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम कंप्यूटर साइंस यूजीसी नेट जून 2010 पेपर सॉल्व करेंगे। ये कंप्यूटर का पेपर 2 है। ए ग्राफिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ एन इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड। ऑप्शंस आर फ्लो चार्ट, डिक्टोग्राम, डाटा फ्लो डायग्राम, हिस्टोग्राम। आंसर इज सी, data flow diagram. Second question is, the data flow diagram shows. Options are the flow of data, the processes, the areas where they are stored, all of the above. Answer is D, all of the above. Third question is, e-commerce infrastructure involve. Options are web services, e-catalog, network, all of the above. Answer is D, all of the above. Fourth question is, which of the following is not a type of e-commerce? Options are B2B, B2C, C2C, e-governance. Answer is e-governance. E-governance is not a type of e-commerce. Fifth question is, which of the following is not a function of GIS? Options are spatial imaging, database verification, decision modeling, design planning. Answer is B, database verification. Sixth question is, inventory is also referred to as. Options are materials, material in hand, warehouse, stock. Answer is D, stock. Seventh question is, encryption is being used primarily with. Options are transaction entry, file retention, computer processing, data communication. Answer is D, data communication. Eighth question is, ActiveX control can be developed by using. Options are Visual Basic, Java, Visual C++, all of the above. Answer is D, all of the above. Visual Basic, Java, Visual C++ are the ActiveX control. Ninth question is, probabilities range from. Options are 0.00 to 0.1, 0.002, 1.00, 0.0 to 100, and all of the above. Answer is B, 0.00 to 1.00. 10th question is, in the data warehouse, once data is distributed to a data man, it can take a form like. Options are client 1 server database, OLAP, desktop, all of the above. Answer is D, all of the above. 11th question is, data mining is. Options are storing data when in needy, automatic extractions of patterns of information, searching data on internet, none of the above. Answer is B, automatic extractions of patterns of information. 12th question is, select the Boolean equations of the circuit from below given figure. Figure is given. Options are f is equal to x plus y plus z, b is equal to f is equal to x plus y plus z negation, f is equal to x y z negation, d x negation plus y negation plus z negation. Answer is D, x negation plus y negation plus z negation. 13th question is, an XOR gate recognize only words with a oblique n dash numbers of ones. Options are even, odd, different, all of the above. Answer is B, odd. 14th question is, which among the following is false? In a directed graph with n vertices, if there is a path from vertices v1 to vertices v2, then there is a path of no more than n minus 1 as from vertices v1 to vertices v2. Second option is, Euclidean path in a graph is defined as a path that traverses each edge in the graph once and only once. C option is, Eulerian circuits is also defined similarly as a circuit that traverses each edge in the graph and only once. And last option is none of the above. Answer is D, none of the above. 15th question is, the number of equivalence relations on the set 1, 2, 3, 4. Set is given. Options are 4, 8, 16, 32. Answer is C, 16. Next question is, let x and y be the sets, then the set x intersection y union y intersection x union x intersection y is equal to. Options are x union y, xc union yc, x intersection y, xc intersection yc. Answer is A, x union y. 17th question is, the graph of Königsberg Bridge is not an Euler graph because it has 4 vertices and 7 edges. It is not connected. It does not have a self loop. Not all its vertices are of even degree. Answer is D, not all its vertices are of even degree. 18th question is, which of the following is pairs of regular expressions are not equivalent? Options are given and answer is none of these. These are not equivalent. Answer is D, none of these. 19th question is, the language recognized by the following state diagram is. State diagram is given and options you can see here. Answer is C, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 0, 1, string 0, 0, string. 20th question is, dash is the fastest of all logic families and therefore is used in applications where very high speed is essential because the transistors are used in different amplifiers configurations. Options are TTL, ECL, CMOS, MOSFET. Answer is B, ECL. 21st question is, the XOR gate is equivalent to AND gate followed by an inverter. Options are OR, AND, NAND, NOR. Answer is B, AND gate. 22nd question is, consider the below given logic diagram carefully. Options are, you can see this diagram, logic diagram is given here, this diagram, and options are given. First is x negation z plus y negation z plus x a. Second option is xyz plus x za negation. Third option is z x z negation plus yz negation plus za. And last option is xy negations plus yz negation plus za negation. Answer is A. X negation z plus y negation z plus za. Next question, 23rd question is, which of the following can be used as universal gate? Options are NAND, OR, and NOT. Answer is A. NAND gate. NAND gate can be used as a universal gate. 24th question is, a half adder adds bit producing a sum of A. Options are option A is 3 carry, second is 2 carry, third is first carry, and D is half carry. Answer is B. 2 carry. 25th question is, the functional difference between SR flip-flop and JK flip-flop is. JK flip-flop accepts both inputs. Second option is JK flip-flop is faster than SR flip-flop. JK flip-flop has a feedback path. And last option is JK flip-flop does not require external clock. Answer is D. D. JK flip-flop does not require external clock. 26th question is, for a typical combinational circuits, decoder and input lines can opt any of the output lines, which can be of n2 to n minus 1, n by 2. Answer is B. 2 n. 27th question is, which function positive logic is equivalent to OR function in negative logic? OR, options are OR, NOT, and NOR. Answer is C. AND. AND logic is equivalent to OR function in negative logic. 28th question is, a single character input from the keyboards can be obtained by using the function. Options are printf, getchar, scanf, putchar. Answer is B. Getchar. 29th question is, the string related function supplied by C standards library is. Options are string copy, string cat, string cmp, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. All these functions supplied by C standard library. 30th question is, the malloc function. Options are returns a pointers to the allocated memory, returns a pointer to the first byte of region of memory, change the size of the allocated memory, delocates the memory. Answer is B. Returns a pointer to the first bytes of region of memory. 31st question is, what will be the output after the following program is executed? Program is given as include stdio.h void main int. You can see this program. You can also take the screenshot of this program. And options are a1 is equal to 15, b1 is equal to 15, a1 is equal to 16, b1 is equal to 0, a1 is equal to 3, b1 is equal to 16, a1 is equal to 16, b1 is equal to 16. Answer is D. a1 is equal to 16, and b1 is equal to 16. Now 32 question is, if a piece of data is stored in two places in the database, then options are storage space is wasted, changing the data in one spot will cause data inconsistency, it can be more easily accessed both A and B. Answer is D, both A and B. 33 question is, a data dictionary doesn't provide informations about. Options are where data is located, the size of the disk storage device, who owns or is responsible for the data, how the data is used. Answer is B, the size of the disk storage device. 34th question is, which of the following grammars are phrase structures? Options are regular, context free, context sensitive, all of the above. 34th का आंसर है D, all of the above. All of the grammars are phrase structured, regular, context free and context sensitive. 35th question is, in a balanced binary tree in below given figure, how many nodes will become unbalanced when a node is inserted as a child of the node G? It said that if we add the child of G node, then how many nodes become unbalanced? Options are 1, 3, 7, 8. Answer is 3, B. 3 nodes becomes unbalanced. 36 is, which of the following commands is used to copy directory structure in and out? Options are C, put in out, CP, copy, CP minus P. You can see these options. Answer is A. Answer is A. 37th question is, which of the following command can be used to get information about yourself? Options are who am I, PWD, which. Answer is B, who am I. 38th question is, cyclomatic complexity is given by Vg is equal to E plus n, B minus n, E plus n XOR 2, E minus n plus 2. 38th answer is D, E minus n plus 2. Now 39th question is, which of the following is a black box testing method? Basic path testing, boundary value analysis, code validations analysis, loop testing. Answer is A, path basis path testing is a black box testing. Others are white box testing. 14th question is, the most relevant addressing made of right position independent code is. Options are direct mode, indirect mode, index mode, relative mode. Answer is D, relative mode, and there is a spelling mistake in mode. 41 question is, the postfix expressions for the infix expression. You can see this, A plus B strings C plus D by F plus D string E. Options are given, you can see, and answer is B, A B C D plus string F by D E string plus plus. 42 question is, well is a well known. Options are real time language, object oriented language, command language, data flow language. Answer is D, data flow language. 43 question is consider the following Pascal functions. Function FIBO and integers begin. You can see this function. Options are 3 times. If FIBO 5 is the functions called FIBO 1 will be used. Options are 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. इसमें बताना है कि कितनी बार ये फंक्शन कॉल किया गया है. You can see this function. Answer is 5 times. C 5 times. 44th question is an ordinary calculator trait. Options are all operators to be equal precedence and associating to the right, all operators to be of equal precedence and associating to the left, all operators to be equal precedence and associating to the left, all the operators is not used. Mathematical sense. Answer is A. All operators to be equal precedence and associating to the right. 45th question is each coefficient in the equations ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is determined by throwing an ordinary die. The probability that the equations will have real root is. Options are 57 by 216, 27 by 216, 53 by 216 and 43 by 216. Answer is 43 by 216 D. 46th question is the sum of all numbers greater than 10,000 formed by using the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, no digits being repeated in any number is. Options are 5,19,960, 2,74,000, 2 crore, 27 lakh 42,790, 24 lakh 49,002, 84 lakh 11,420. Answer is A. Next question is for a game in which two partners oppose two other partners, 6 men are available. If every possible pair must play against every other pair, the number of games to be played is. Options are 36, 45, 42, 90. Answer is 45. 48th question is let G H belongs to a group G. If O is true, then O G H G minus 1 is. Options are 0, 1, 2, 4. Answer is 2. C option. 49th question is at any times the local number of persons on earth who have seconds, hands and odd numbers of time has to be an even number, an odd number, a prime number, a perfect square. Answer is an even number. And last question is consider the function. Function is given here. Find int x, int y returns x less than y question mark 9. You can see this function. The call finds a, find a, b, that can be used to find maximum of a, b, positive difference of a, b, sum of a, b, minimum of a, b. Answer is positive difference of ए बी. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हमने ये पेपर डिस्कस किया. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम नेक्स्ट पेपर लेकर आएंगे. आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में बताएं और मेरा चैनल लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.